Good morning, students. Last day we have completed exercise 5.1 and today we start exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2 only two questions and both the questions I will try to explain you. Question number 1. How would you rewrite the Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? Then let us see, revise what is Euclid's fifth postulate. Euclid's fifth postulate is if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side of it taken to be less than two right angles, then the two straight line if produced indefinitely meet on the sides on which the sum of the angle is less than two right angles. This is the Euclid's fifth postulate. Now question, how will rewrite this fifth postulate so that it will be easy to understand? I will try to explain you most easy process. Before coming to the fifth postulate, let us recall the parallel line. You see my figure, L and M are two lines and T is a transversal. If sum of the interior angle of same side of transversal are supplementary, that means sum of these two angles, same side of transversal right angle, if we add, the sum is 180 degree, then these two angles are said to be parallel. Same things, if these two angles, if we make 180 degree, then also it will be L and M will be parallel. You have read this property in the junior class. Now you come to the fifth postulates in second figure. M and N are two lines and suppose T is transversal. If sum of the two angles, these two angles of same side is transversal, is less than 180 degree, if you add it will be less than 180 degree, then according to the Euclid's postulate, these two lines if we produce, then they must meet on one side. That means on two straight line, if a transversal intersect and sum of the angle of same side of transversal is less than 180 degree, then after producing the same side, they must meet at a point, and you will write according to the explanation. Let us consider M and N are two straight line, T is a transversal, intersect on the two straight line at the point. You can write the point also, P and Q respectively. Let us consider the sum of the two angle. You can give the name of the angle also. Angle 1 and angle 2 is less than 180 degree. After producing the line, the point M and N must meet at a point and they must intersect. That is the Euclid's fifth postulate in the easier way. Now, your second question of exercise 5.2 is, second question is given, does Euclid's fifth postulate imply existence of the parallel line? Explain. Already I have explained you. Existence of the parallel line according to the Euclid's postulate, same process you will write. Let us consider M and N are two straight line, a transversal intersect. If sum of the two angles will be less than 180 degree, after producing they must meet at a point. In the reverse, if you draw the parallel lines like that, and parallel lines not two straight line, suppose this is M and this is N and this is transversal T, and sum of these two angles is less than 180 degree. So after producing the left hand side, they must meet at a point. So both the figure will draw and you will try to write of your own language. Thank you. Have a good day. So today your homework is exercise 5.2 question number 1 and 2. Thank you.